how's best? So if you're not welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And to all my old subscribers, you all know I love you like ow. So guys, we are in the best season of the year, so stay tuned, don't go nowhere, and let's go. Okay guys, so going straight into the video, I'm going to leave all the ingredients in the description box below. All right guys, so don't worry, just follow along and check out the ingredient. All right, so in my bowl I'm going to mix in my butter and my sugar, okay, with my hand mixer. If you have a stand mixer, you can just use that. All right, but the hand mixer works perfectly fine as well. All right, so you're going to mix this together until you get a creamy consistency. All right, so over here you can still see there's still a little bit sugar in there, so you keep mixing until you get this buttery consistency. So now you're going to add in your eggs. Okay guys, I have 3 eggs here, so I'm going to add it in one at a time. Okay guys, so follow along. Alright guys, so in a separate bowl you're going to add in your flour, your salt, your vanilla powder if you have the powdered form, or you can just use the essence, and you are going to also add in some baking powder. All right, yes guys, and you're going to stir this together to mix properly. Okay. Okay guys, so this is how it's supposed to look like after you've added in all your eggs. All right guys, yes, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use half of evaporated milk and half of fresh milk. Okay guys, this is optional. You can just do a full evaporated milk, or you can also do full cow milk. All right, but I just decided to do it half. All right, so what you're going to do now is to alternate it in this way, that you're going to add in flour, then you're going to add in your milk, you're going to add in your flour and add in your milk. All right guys, and remember to scrape the side as well, so you can get everything mixed in properly. All right guys, yes, you don't want your hard work to go in vain, all right, afterwards, and you find in some lumps. Guys, that is not good at all. So just like I am doing, you keep repeating this process until you have no more flour and no more milk. All right guys, yes, I hope it's being understood. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section below, and I'm definitely going to help you out with it. All right guys, so since this is going to be deep fried, you're going to add in your oil in your saucepan, and you're going to put it on a medium low heat. All right guys, and you're going to scoop some of your butter just in there. All right guys, yes, just like that. Yeah, so I noticed that my dough was a little bit too light. All right, so what I did was I added in 4 tablespoons of flour again, mixed it well together, and then I started scooping it in again to fry, and that gave me a better consistency. All right, or a frying consistency. Okay, not too runny. All right guys, and I learned that from Sweet Adele. So okay guys, yes, so you want to be turning this around. Okay, you want to be turning this around. Don't worry if yours looks like aliens just like mine, it's perfectly fine. This was also my first time of doing this. Okay, so just don't worry. Okay, just do it as best as you can. If you get round figures, praise the Lord. If not, if you get alien figures like mine, guys, that's also cool. All right, so far as it's edible, that's the most important thing. Okay guys, yes, so if you've gotten this far, well done. Okay guys, so you want to keep frying until you have no butter left. All right guys, yes, so please take note that when you see this foamy thing on top of your oil, just it's nothing wrong. There is nothing, it's nothing bad, okay? It's just the oil and the butter reacting, okay? So don't think there is anything wrong at all. There is nothing wrong, okay, guys? Yes. So guys, please take note as well that I use less sugar for this recipe. If you want yours on a sweeter version, just use a little bit more sugar. I'm going to leave everything in the description box, okay, guys? And do take note that when you add more flour, if yours is also on a little bit of a lighter side, do take note to also taste the butter to see if the sugar is still intact. All right, guys? Yes. So just look at how beautiful and how golden. This is called golden boy, guys. Yes, guys. So please, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell as well, okay, guys? Yes. And don't forget to follow me on my social media handle on Instagram at abby_babe, and also on Snapchat at abby kitchen, guys. Yes. So since it's Christmas, try to do something sweet for your friends, family, and colleagues. And until we meet again, don't forget to stay safe, and don't forget to also mask up, okay, guys? And until we meet again, the name is ABIJAIL, and I'm out. Peace.